Remodeling is something that you may only have one chance in a lifetime to do, and we understand the lingering questions that come along with that. To give you a jump start on your research, we offer educational workshops on a pretty regular basis in our design studios. These workshops are presented by a designer or architect and cover a wide range of topics from kitchens and additions to master suites and more. During the workshop, you'll learn about popular design trends, the latest products and materials, and what to expect during your own home remodel. We'll also give you a behind-the-scenes look at a real remodel in the Chicago area and share some amazing before and after photos. After the workshop, you can enjoy a nice light lunch in our showroom and get some of your lingering questions answered. This is a great opportunity to get prepared for your renovation, whether you're planning to remodel right away or still just getting ideas. So come on out, bring your questions, and be prepared to get inspired. You can register to attend by visiting our website at normandyremodeling.com or give us a call and we'll be happy to sign you up. We look forward to seeing you soon.